75 under square root plus 25 under square root upon 75 under square root minus 25 under square root. How to simplify this? To simplify this question, let's first simplify the radicals. So 75 we can write it as 25 times 3 under square root plus 25 as 5 square under square root upon again 25 times 3 under square root minus 5 square under square root. Now this 25 we can write it as 5 square times 3 under square root. This is in the form of a times b under square root, and this we can write it as square root of a times square root of b. Therefore, we can write it as square root of 5 square times square root of 3 plus square root of 5 square. Now remove the square root with this square upon here also 5 square under square root times square root of 3 minus square root of 5 square. Remove the square root with this square. Now we have 5 times square root of 3 plus 5 upon 5 times square root of 3 minus 5. Now we can take 5 as common in the numerator. So square root of 3 plus 1 upon, and same take 5 common in the denominator also. So square root of 3 minus 1. Now cancel this 5 and this 5. Now we can rationalize the denominator. To rationalize the denominator, we multiply and divide it by the conjugate of the denominator. So square root of 3 minus 1, the conjugate of x plus y is x minus y. So square root of 3 minus 1, its conjugate will be square root of 3 plus 1 upon square root of 3 plus 1. By dividing and multiplying, we are not changing the question because you can cancel this and this out and the question remains the same. Now the numerator is in the form of a plus b times a plus b. So we can write it as a plus b whole square or square root of 3 plus 1 whole square upon the denominator is in the form of a minus b times a plus b. So it is in the form of differences of square and we can write it as a square minus b square. So let's write it as square root of 3 square minus 1 square. Now a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square upon square root of 3 square means we can remove the square root with this square. So it is 3 minus 1. Here also you can remove the square root with the square. So it will be 3 plus 2 times square root of 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 is 2. Now 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 2 times square root of 3 upon 2. Now take 2 common in the numerator. Now take 2 common in the numerator. It will be 2 plus square root of 3 upon 2. Now cancel this 2 and this 2. So answer is 2 plus square root of 3. Thanks for watching.